Hello everyone, today we're going to explore some delicious chicken recipes that you can easily make at home. Chicken is a versatile and well-loved protein that can be prepared in countless ways, and these recipes are sure to satisfy your cravings. 1. Honey glazed chicken. This classic recipe adds a touch of sweetness to the savory chicken with a simple honey and brown sugar glaze. Simply season the chicken with the glaze, bake until golden, and enjoy tender, juicy chicken. 2. Lemon herb chicken. A zesty twist on the classic recipe, this lemon herb chicken features fresh herbs like parsley, thyme, and rosemary along with lemon juice, garlic, and olive oil. Marinate the chicken before baking for tender, juicy results. 3. Garlic butter chicken. This popular dish features layers of golden, crispy skin and succulent, moist chicken infused with garlic, butter, and herbs. The secret to great garlic butter chicken is in the seasoning and browning of the skin. 4. Vegetarian stir-fry with chicken. This quick and easy recipe is perfect for a weeknight dinner. Simply sauté sliced vegetables, like bell peppers, onions, and zucchini, in a bit of olive oil, then add minced chicken and cook until done. Serve over rice or noodles for a complete meal. 5. Smoky honey glazed chicken. For a mouth-watering smoky flavor, try this honey glazed chicken with a touch of smoke juice and brown sugar. Bake until the chicken is tender and the glaze is caramelized. 6. Spicy fried chicken with rice. This recipe takes traditional fried chicken and adds a spicy kick with a homemade spicy sauce. Cook the chicken as desired, then serve over rice for a satisfying meal. So there you have it, 6 delicious chicken recipes to try at home. Happy cooking!